Hello and welcome to another wholesome recipe video. Today I will show you how to make an amazing hazelnut spread that makes a wonderful alternative to Nutella. Now let's be honest, Nutella is irresistibly delicious. But here is the catch, while it's marketed as a hazelnut spread, it is actually more of a sugar spread. If you peek at the ingredients list, you'll see that 56% of it is pure sugar. Second on the list, palm oil. And hazelnuts. Well, they only make up about 13%. After that, we've got skimmed milk powder, then comes cocoa, and of course emulsifier and artificial vanilla flavoring. That's quite the mixture, isn't it? Luckily, we can recreate the rich chocolatey magic with a version that is 100% plant-based, oil-free, refined sugar-free, and is packed with real hazelnut goodness. Let's get to it. On the ingredients list, I have 1.5 cups of peeled hazelnuts, the foundation of the spread, adding that smooth, nutty richness. Then 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a gentle depth of chocolate flavor. 3/4 of a cup of almond milk to bring everything together with a smooth consistency. 4 medjool dates to naturally sweeten the spread. 1/3 of a vanilla bean to bring that heavenly flavor. And a pinch of salt to round everything off and elevate the taste. The first step is to toast the hazelnuts. Place them in a pan over medium heat, stirring frequently to ensure they brown evenly. It usually takes about 5 minutes. This process softens the nuts, enhances their natural flavor, and releases their oils, making them perfect for blending into a smooth, creamy butter. Once they are lightly golden and fragrant, set them aside to cool down. If your hazelnuts still have their skins, no problem, just add one extra step. Toast them as usual, then let them cool before transferring them to a clean kitchen towel. Rub gently to loosen the skins. It's okay if a bit of skin remains, it will not affect the recipe. Next, add the roasted hazelnuts to a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend on high for several minutes, stopping occasionally to let the sides fall in or scrape them down with a spoon. You will need to process the nuts for about 5 minutes. At first, it will look crumbly, but keep going until it becomes a smooth, creamy hazelnut butter. Now we can add the rest of the ingredients. Add the 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then add the pitted dates. I just slightly chopped mine as they are very fresh and soft. In case yours are a bit drier, you can soak them in hot water for 10 minutes beforehand. For the vanilla bean, you can cut it lengthwise and scrape out the seeds to add to the mixture. Personally, I prefer using the whole bean. I simply chop it up and blend it with the almond milk. Whichever option you prefer, go ahead and add it to the mixture along with a portion of the milk and begin processing. I like to start with half a cup of almond milk and adjust as needed. If you prefer a thinner consistency, feel free to add more. Using my homemade almond milk, which is denser than store-bought, I usually end up adding about a cup. Finally, add that little bit of salt, which will enhance the sweetness and chocolate flavors. Blend one final time. And you're done. Transfer your spread to a jar and let it sit for a moment to thicken. My favorite way to enjoy this spread is on whole grain pancakes. I add a generous layer, top it with banana slices, and fold it into a triangle for a truly divine treat. The aroma is absolutely irresistible. And this pancake dessert always hits the spot. Thank you for watching and bon appétit!